Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we're going to set up the sale sign ballast block. So the first thing we're going to do is insert the block over the sale sign base. So you're just going to remove your sale sign from the base and set off to the side. And then we're going to line up the base with the cutouts on the bottom of the block. So you're just going to slide the block over. And once you have it inserted over the base, you're next going to fill it with ballast. So you're going to remove the top and then simply fill. Then you're going to replace the top back on. Now you're ready to install the graphic. So to install the graphic, you're simply just going to slide it over the base and line the holes up with each other. And the graphic should fit pretty secure. Once you have the graphic installed, you're ready to attach your sale sign. So I'm just going to slide my sale sign back on. And it's just that easy to set up your sale sign ballast block.